In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PayPal money to a phone number. If you want to send money quickly through PayPal and all you have is the recipient's phone number, the process is very simple. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by logging into your PayPal account and going to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option that says Send and Request. This is the section where PayPal lets you either send money to someone else or request money from them, so it's the right place to begin. After you click Send and Request, go to the Send tab. In this area, you'll see a text field where you can enter the recipient's information. This field is designed to help you find the person you want to pay, and in this case, you'll use their phone number. Now type in the phone number you want to send PayPal money to. Make sure you enter it carefully and double-check that it's correct before moving on. Since payments are tied to the information you provide, accuracy is important here to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Once the phone number appears, select it. After that, choose the currency you want to use for the payment. This is especially useful if you're sending money internationally or if your account supports multiple currencies. Then enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment to review the number so you're sure the payment amount is exactly what you intend. When everything looks good, click Next. PayPal will then show you a summary of the payment details. This is your chance to review the recipient, the currency, and the amount one more time. If everything is correct, continue to the final confirmation screen and confirm the payment. And that's it. Once confirmed, the money will be sent through PayPal to that phone number as long as it's associated with the recipient's PayPal account. As a general tip, it's always a good idea to verify the phone number with the recipient before sending, especially if it's your first time paying them. That's the full process for sending PayPal money to a phone number. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.